Hi guys, so today again we come with another informative video also. So today we will make beetle gourd or Karela juice in style. So how you will make, please see this video till last, you will find how you will make. So for this we already took this only ingredient. We took like beetle gourd, I took only one piece. We have to cut like slice this, a little ginger and lemon juice we have to take, salt little, ice cubes, and also this grinder you need. So we have to grind it, and I will show you step by step. So first what we will do, first we have to cut slices of our beetle gourd with the ginger and a little water and also little salt, and we have to grind. So this is very good recipe for you if you are a diabetic patient, so this will be very helpful for you. So now I am showing you. So if you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because benefit of the subscribe channel is that you will find all our informative video which we upload daily. So let's start now, and I will show you now step by step. So to make this our beetle gourd juice, I already cut as slices our this beetle gourd. You have to put like this in grinder, little ginger, okay, and I already put this little lemon juice, okay, and we have to grind it now, okay. So we have to grind now, okay, in grinder, okay. So we already grinded it. See the color and also texture should be like this. So we have to strain now this, okay. We have to strain now by strainer, okay. So we already strain our this beetle gourd juice, okay. I already strain it. So we have to put now ice cube and we'll serve like this. Put this in glass and put ice cubes also, okay, like this. So now this is ready to serve. So this is very good for your health. So if you are diabetic patient, and it's very good for you, okay. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. So we will come with another informative video also. Please take care of you, and you should try at your home. So I am also hungry, thirsty, so I also eat this. So please see, like and share to subscribe also this channel. So we will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day, take care, Allah Hafiz.